In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add social media buttons or icons to your Shopify store. If you're ready to connect your online presence to your favorite social media platforms, you've come to the right place. This process is particularly effortless when using Shopify themes that support built-in options for these types of links, so let's dive right into it. To start, we'll need to access the Shopify admin section of your store. Once you're logged in, go over to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store, and then move on to Themes. This area is where we can fully customize the look and feel of your store. Now, located next to your active theme, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on that to enter the theme editor. When you're inside the theme editor, direct your attention to either the footer or the header sections, depending on where you'd like your social media icons displayed. Traditionally, many themes position these icons at the bottom in the footer, but the header is also an option if you want them more prominent and visible as soon as customers enter your site. Once you've selected the desired section, look for a block or setting named something like Social Media, Social Links, Social Icons, or Follow Us. The exact naming can vary from one theme to another. Here you will be prompted to enter the URLs of your social media accounts. You'll want to include links to your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platforms where your brand has a presence. Just copy and paste the URLs straight into these settings. After that, you might encounter options that allow you to show or hide these icons or adjust their position on the page, whether that be aligned to the left, right, or centered. You might also get to choose from different style options for the icons, tailoring them to better match your store's aesthetic and overall branding. Remember to save your settings to ensure all your changes are applied successfully. It's a simple click of the Save button, but it makes all the difference in bringing your adjustments to life on the site. If you're using a theme like Debutify, these options might be even more explicit. In this case, navigate to the Customize area and select Footer. You will see a checkbox or toggle to Show Social Media Icons. You'll also likely find clear options on where you can position the icons within your footer. That's it. You've now connected your Shopify store to your social media platforms through these icons, making it incredibly easy for customers to stay in touch with your brand across various platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your online business.